test for all of Nebraska beginning at 1:59 p.m. Tuesday, December 17th and ending at 12:59 a.m. Wednesday, December 18th. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations and cable systems of Nebraska Incorporated.
Ah! Yes, I got it! Emergency alert!
Special information. Use.
Monthly test for the following counties or areas.
Here we go, it's on Family Guy! Brian Griffin!
2024. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a monthly test of the
Is that robot voice, Mom?
system for broadcast stations and cable systems for the following counties or areas. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations and cable systems on
Both EAS! That's a robot voice. That's a robot voice. And there it is on the green squirrel banner. That was the robot voice. That was the last day of the required monthly test of 2024.
Leaf filters patented filter technology keeps debris out of your gutters for good.
Yeah. Next, we'll do the red squirrel banner on this TV.
On what show?
Here we go. With the robot voice. Now listen to this robot voice.
Yes.
Here comes the robot voice.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Nebraska at 10:59 p.m. on deck 17th, 2024, effective until 12:59 on deck 18th, 2024. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations and cable systems of Nebraska in cooperation with the FCC and other government authorities. Equipment is being tested that can quickly provide warnings during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, official information, news, or instructions would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
And there you go, a robot voice. What does the robot voice talk?
What?
What does the robot voice mean?
It means it's not human, it's a machine.
It's a machine. The robot voice, what does the robot voice mean?
I don't know, sweetie.
Robot voice means it's like a...
Like what, sweetie?
Tell Dad what does the robot voice mean? Dad, what does robot voice mean?
Okay?
Okay?
Is that it?
And after the squirrel banner, what does the robot voice mean?
It means it's artificial. It's not real.
It's artificial. Tell Mom, it's artificial.
Okay.
It's not real.
Not real. No,
It-
it's not real, sweetie.
It's just artificial.
Artificial.
And that is the end of the required monthly test for 2024 at this end of the year.
Right?
And we will see you on in next year 2025
Okay.
for January of 2025. That was it. I hear Bolt, the dog, hear the emergency alert system.
Say bye, y'all.
Say Bolt, bye y'all. The Bolt dogs go brrr sound. It's not for the evil output show voice from the emergency alert system. Nope, I'm sorry. Okay.
I don't know what the fuck's going on with this thing. Right. That's it. You can stop recording now.
Well,
Whether because of discomfort,
that was a robot voice. It's like a, I don't know. Robot voice is like a,
Sounds like a machine.
it's like a machine.
Sounds like a robot. Okay?
Okay. A robot voice is like a machine.
Yes, exactly what it looks like.
All right. Stay tuned for more for monthly tests for next year for 2025 of next year.
Okay. What? Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But Bolt, you heard the emergency alert system.
Mm-hmm.
But the Bolt, the dog, you heard the emergency alert system,
Alert
right,
system.
Bolt?
Right. Yeah. He's on your computer screen. Okay?
Yeah. The Bolt, the emergency alert system go brrr sound.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Big loud sound. I know.
Say, Bolt, see you next time for 2025, Bolt.
Yep. 2025.
See you next year.
Okay. Bye-bye. Okay.
Bye, Bolt.